I'm just gonna say what I mean to say and let you guys come for me because I feel like what Uvuyagazi did on the dinner table was honestly unnecessary. And for me, it was giving seeking attention type of vibes. I will tell you why. Remember, guys, when the vacation just starts, right? Uvuyagazi pulls Umpilo aside and has like a chat with her about that, which I'll do a separate video about that altogether. But she also, I guess the essence of the conversation was to let Umpilo know that Uvuyagazi brought back up because Uvuyagazi doesn't want to put the siblings in an awkward or put Umpilo, the one who invited her, in an awkward situation, right? And I commend her for doing that and not saying that in front of the others. But now, Chigi Chigi, we at the dinner table and people are busy talking. Usne brings up the conversation of, Mpumelelo, do you feel like Uvio hasn't all right? Or all right. And then Mpumelelo asks, like, pertaining what? And then she says the whole virgin thing. That seems to be the theme of this season, the Virgin, right? The Virgin who we got to see once, by the way. So, yeah, and then Utirelo Yena ends up saying she's fine. Uvirazi ends up saying, Utina, I'm just here for fun. And then Umpilo goes on to, thank her guest like for the 100th time. But I love that. I love a host who is welcoming you guys and is going to be welcoming to everyone. And I feel like Umpilo did well in that. And then all of a sudden, Vuyogazi, unprovoked, not asked, she's like, Bilo, thank you so much for inviting me. I really hope you're going to invite me again. I really hope you will invite me again, even though I am no longer part of the family. And she's speaking it like in a present tense. Should I, a present tense, past tense? She says, even though I am no longer part of the family, I really hope that you will still invite me. Now it's that awkward thing on the table. Everyone's like Angzwanga. Everyone's like what is Vuyogazi saying now? And I feel like the reason why I feel like it was unnecessary because it put everyone in an awkward situation. Like, why did you not? I need to you speaking to Umpilo because she was directly speaking to Umpilo. Why did she not say that earlier on? Or why did she not do what she did earlier on? Pull Umpilo aside and say, you know what? Or at the end of the trip, say, Umpilo, you know what? I truly appreciated this. I enjoyed myself, blah, 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 whatever the case may be. I am no longer part of the family. I really hope you will invite me again. I don't know why she didn't do that. Because I'm just like, you and Mpumenelo's relationship is between you and Umpumelelo, you guys. I remember when I said, firstly, I put up a video and I said that all them celebs went quiet on Realize's birthday and people were like, Aibo, you looking too deep into this and all of that and she's not a Makoti. And the weird thing about it, you guys, if let's just run with that narrative, which indeed, when it came to the happy birthdays, that none of them on that table wished her a happy birthday. Maybe privately, but even on the production shows comments, none of them wished her a happy birthday. So let's just run with the narrative and say, Wuti, like, I really was looking into stuff and none of them owed her a happy birthday. If Vuyogazi then knows Wuti, she's not that close to them, why did she feel the need that she needs to announce to all of them on that table? Do you get what I'm saying? Because for me, if you're going to do something like that, that you want everyone in to know about something like that, for me, I honestly feel when it comes to Pumenelo's siblings, Vuyogazi comes far with them. And hence I expected them to wish her a happy birthday. And she's kind of considered as family. Like, I don't understand that whole thing of you're not a Makoti. Yes, like, I feel like sometimes we use that phrase when it benefits us. Yeah, but let's not get into that. But yeah, I feel like it just put everyone in an awkward situation. And quite frankly, it was unnecessary because now everyone's like, Vuyo, like, what are you trying to say? And then it also puts Umpumelelo in an awkward situation. And I'm going to say awkward, you guys, because I know we come for Umpumelelo a lot. But at the end of the day, guys, that's Umpumenelo's business. His siblings abangeni indawo when it comes to what he gets to do with Uvuyokazi and with Utirol, unless previously maybe it's a thing that his siblings ngena his indaba. But according to what I've seen, Umpumelelo keeps his siblings out of his business. You don't even hear Ulwandle commenting much about his business, and Ulwandle is seemingly the closest to Umpumelelo there. So yeah, I feel like that stunt, and I'm gonna call it a stunt because it was unnecessary. That Vuyo pulled there was, I don't know. You can't say you're holding Umpumelelo accountable, holding him accountable in Jani, because you spoke to him one-on-one many times about this virgin thing, about many things. He did not budge. So what is the point in mentioning it in a table where now it's going to make everyone awkward, you know? And then Uviyakazi goes on to also say, Uguti Vele, like it's the kids who are part of the family, but she's not part of the family. I just feel like, I don't know how to say this. I feel like the people want those who were sitting on that table is children, you guys. Like, why you want to discuss your business with children? But then again, they are also children. That's how I'm just like, I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, I just feel like Uvuyokazi should have left where Umpilo left it off by saying thank you to everyone. She should have just left it off like that and had a one-on-one conversation with Umpilo on the side. Anyone else in that family would have found out from Umpumelelo, or if anyone really cared about her to that extent, they should have came to ask her, and maybe Uvuyokazi could have explained it to them, to the ones who were interested. But I don't think everyone was interested on the table to hear such things, and hence I feel like it was unnecessary. Anyway, guys, tell me what is your thoughts on this. Please keep it respectful in the comment section below. Tell me what was your thoughts about Uvuyokazi bringing up this whole conversation on the dinner table in front of Pamgwabantu. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.